Sniply is a great tool to use to grow your following and also build a list, whatever you want to do with it. It's got a free version, so no reason why not to use it. Let me show you examples of where I use it. WilliamMcCrae.com. You'll notice in the left-hand corner, there'll be a little pop-up down here. Leads for your business. That's what this system does. It creates this little pop-up. But you can create this pop-up for any link you want. So if I click here and go start now, it will redirect people to my e-business traffic website. Okay, so let's say you find a great video you want to share with people. Obviously, I'm going to grab my own. One of my own. Don't lose your auto-response.
Today we're going to talk about why people...
Okay. What you can do with Sniply is you can add it to your Chrome browser. It creates this little tool right here. And you click it and it will drive people to this video, but it's going to put this pop-up over top of the video. You tell it to go ahead and snip it. Creates that snippet link. You copy that. Then you go to your social media sites. And you go to a group. Maybe it's a group. Let me just grab a group here we can take a look at. Let me grab an MLM group. Direct sales, affiliate marketing, 39,000 people. I'm part of that group. And you just leave a post there. Just discovered. Oh, I don't want to do this. I just discovered a great video. List building for our businesses. Check it out. I don't want it to post. I guess it's just because of the way I have it set up. And you hit post. Now what's going to happen, once this gets viewed, people come along and go, whoa, look at this, is great. They'll click on it to view the video. The Sniply will pop it up, take them over to YouTube, and boom, right here. There's the video they want. They want to buy biz off offers. They click here and it takes them directly to my sales page. So what you want to do is use this to share content on your social media networks to drive people to whatever page you want to drive. However you want to drive it, it will work. You can use, you don't have to use videos. You can go to article directories. Could be in any niche. Let's say you're a weight loss niche and you find articles on keto dieting. You can, post that to various groups. And this right here could be a link to a landing page where they opt in, or you can actually set it opt-in as an opt-in form here. Again, the site called Sniply, snip.ly. You can use the free version. Really works great. I'd try it out.